Hi class, welcome to Python Spring 24. This is an exciting semester. This is a zero cost textbook. There's no textbook cost. There is a textbook here that I have for you by the Python, and I will create a AI augmented study bot for that, and that will be kind of an experiment. You can see how that goes, but our main OER, Open Educational Resource Materials, comes from Charles Severinson's Learning Python, and I have 8 of his chapters here for you so far. We may go into 9, and then we'll do the zoo midterm, and then AI chatbots, and then maybe RAG, RAG AI chatbots, or capstone projects of your choice. So for the GitHub Classrooms, the way this works is you will do your Python coding. If I asked you to code something up from the videos, that means code something up from the videos. Generally, you can create a new project here in Python. And so this will be the hello world. Okay, all there is to it in Python. So this code, what I need posted to your GitHub Classroom repository is the code that is in this project. So here you can look at the path, 2024 Spring, AI Chatbot Dev, Python Project 2, and in there I will find hello-world.py. So the way this works is you would open up GitHub Classroom and find your name. This is my name. I accept the assignment. I reload it. And then I have this remote repository, and this is where I put all the code for those modules. So let's say that all of that code was done. I go to upload a file, select that repository, and then upload files. Go to where your Python files are. In my case, they were Spring AI Chatbot Dev. I should have cleaned that up. That's okay. And here's hello-world.py. Okay, so open. That goes there. Commit changes. And that's it. That's all there is to submitting your code for the GitHub Classrooms. So GitHub Classrooms are important. It's important that you actually post code there. Post it frequently. Make your commits. You will log GitHub commits there, and that will be nice. You get those green boxes. You can feel good about those. Impress a future Python interviewer with that, and get a job coding Python, right? All right, this concludes your welcome to CIT 95. Have a great semester. I will have open office hours probably early next week. It would be nice if you all could make time to just stop by for even a couple minutes just to say hello, introduce yourselves. Oh, and it's very important that you do the class introduction discussion by Friday, okay? So I don't drop you as a no-show. All right, happy coding. You guys are going to love Python. It's great. It's very useful to create the AI chatbots that I'm sure you will enjoy. All right, happy coding.